So you're thinking about making your home smart, but between concepts like lighting, locks, garage doors, sensors, automations, hubs, and protocols, you're left feeling a little overwhelmed and confused. Maybe it's the cost or the time, or you're questioning your own technical know-how, but you're asking yourself, is it worth it? I've installed hundreds of smart home devices, and today I want to give you my top 5 reasons why you should make your home smart in 2025.
Hey, I'm Robert, and Oconee Smart Homes exists to make real homes more convenient, accessible, and safe with smart home technology. We serve real customers right here in Oconee County, Georgia, but this channel is for anyone who wants to make a simpler, smarter home. So let's jump in. Why should you build a smart home in 2025? Number 1 is energy efficiency. We've all been trained to do our part for the planet, and with smart home tech, that can also save you money. Smart lighting turns off automatically when you leave a room or the house, or based on a schedule. Dads, no more yelling at your kids to turn off the lights. You'll need something new to fuss about. Heating and cooling is often your biggest energy expense, and a smart thermostat can optimize your usage and cut that cost by about 15%. And with energy monitoring, you can learn, adjust, and optimize your home energy usage over time. Reason number 2, safety and security. Smart locks, garage doors, and cameras protect your home whether you're there or away. Ever forget to lock the door or close the garage before you leave? Now you can automate that or fix it instantly from your phone. Forget to turn off the curling iron or the hair straightener? You can automate that too. Smart smoke detectors and leak sensors can alert you to danger. And automatic water shutoffs can prevent costly damage. That's peace of mind and in many cases lower insurance rates. And trust me, water damage is no joke. I've learned that the hard way.
Reason number 3 is convenience and accessibility. Smart devices can make everyday tasks easier for everyone. Kids, older adults, and even those with disabilities. Imagine controlling your lights and entertainment with your voice or just by walking into the room. Get home and have full hands, you can unlock your door with a tap or sometimes just by walking up to it. And for aging loved ones, this can mean keeping independence longer while staying safe and comfortable. Reason number 4 is comfort and lifestyle. At the end of the day, your home should be a place of peace, joy, and relaxation. A smart home can make everyday living experiences more enjoyable. Create vibrant lighting scenes, keep your perfect climate, or automate routines so that your home feels right in every moment. But here's a tip. Smart home tech should be invisible. It should enhance your life, not distract from it, and it should work for everyone in your home, including guests. Let's watch a movie. Reason number 5 is for future-proofing your home and protecting your largest investment. By 2027, 2/3 of U.S. homes will have some smart technology. That happened fast, right? The right setup won't just keep your home current, but can add up to 5% in resale value. That's $25,000 on a $500,000 home. To get there, you'll need a seamless, reliable, and expandable system. This is why planning ahead is so important, and one reason to pay attention to the new Matter standard. Matter is what will keep your devices working together long-term, so it's worth keeping an eye on.
So what do you think? Are you ready to move forward with the smart home? Between the cost savings, added home value, convenience, and peace of mind, it's well worth it. But maybe you're still not sure about your time or know-how. That's exactly why we're here. Let us help. Subscribe and stick around for more videos with tips and how-tos on your smart home journey. Or if you're in our area, head over to our website. We'll help you design and install your smart home so that you can just enjoy these benefits.